Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the format, 9, 16, and a 15-60-second target because platforms favor vertical, short content. Once chosen, use an AI script generator to draft a focused hook, 1-2 scenes, and a CTA. This speeds iterations. Make sure to feed 3-5 keywords and one clear hook line so the AI keeps topic focus. Export the script and pick a TTS voice or record your raw voice. You'll want timing cues to align voice and visuals. Once done with the script, break it into timestamps. Aim for 3-6 shots at 3-10 seconds each to keep pace dynamic. Use your TTS or recorded audio and run it through AI tools to auto-align captions and markers. This saves manual edits. Then generate visuals, prompt image AI for backgrounds, pull short stock clips, or create animated overlays. Make sure you layer captions, stickers, and pacing so each visual matches the audio beat and reinforces the hook. You finish by tightening rhythm. Trim another 15-30% to keep attention and test a few thumbnail frames. Export at a high bitrate and include captions, plus one clear CTA frame at the end. If upload problems or poor engagement occur, first resync audio-to-visual timing and boost TTS clarity or swap voices. Next, reduce visual clutter and test a simpler hook. Finally, iterate using analytics. Make one targeted change per video so you learn what resonates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.